Hello, Sam here. Today I'm going to show you how to do keyword research using free research tools to help rank your videos higher in YouTube. Plus, I'll be giving you a free gift at the end of this video, so stick around and don't miss any step of this video. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, comment, and best of all, hit the subscription button so that you don't miss any new videos. Welcome back. So today I want to introduce you to two additional free keyword research tools that will help your channel grow. Although these tools have a paid version, the free versions is enough if you are just starting. But if you are a little bit more ambitious and have some extra bucks, why not? I would advise you to go for the paid versions to get more insights and also boost your videos growth. So the tools I'm going to show you today are vidIQ and TubeBuddy. So I have the sites already open. This is vidIQ. Then this is TubeBuddy. Now these have two sites help videos to grow. Okay, and you have to look. They have a lot of features you can use. I've left a link in the description where you can access these tools free of charge and delve more into them, because this video is not going to give an in-depth tutorial about how these tools work. Our main concern is to see how they can help us do keyword research effectively. And a later video will give you an in-depth tutorial on each tool. So I have the extensions for this tool already installed on my YouTube page, sorry. So this is TubeBuddy vidIQ here, as you can see. Then this tab here is for TubeBuddy. Now there are two ways these tools can be used. I can either search directly from the YouTube search or go directly into these tools to search for my keywords. So for instance, how to wrap presents. Let's do this. So what this tools does is that it gives you an analysis of what this keyword is all about. So if you look here, vidIQ is telling us that the volume, there's a high volume for this keyword, how to wrap presents. Thereby the competition is also what? Very high. Let me take you back. Yes. So this is the total score for this keyword, 39 out of 100. It has a high search volume and a high competition as well. Now there's also interesting metrics I want you to take note of here. It tells you that the highest views this keyword has had is this figure right here. It's too huge, I can't mention it. Now, a video created with this keyword was added just the last 7 days is only one, and the average videos based on this keyword is 3 years. Times in title, that is how many times have this keyword been used directly in the title, how many times have this keyword been used directly in video descriptions. So times in title is 0, times in description is only once. So although this keyword is very competitive, this tells me that I can still go ahead and target it because it has never been used directly in the title of any video, and it has been used only once in the video's description, which I can target. So if you go through all the videos here, you will not find the exact title as it is here, how to wrap presents. You will find the exact titles there. No. Okay, now we'll move to TubeBuddy here. Now TubeBuddy gives us an interesting metrics as well. It says that the search volume is excellent, which means it's very high, but the competition is very high as well. So it gives us a poor, and it ranks it as what, 16 over 100, which means we shouldn't attempt it at all. Okay, so you see that both TubeBuddy and vidIQ are agreeing that this search term has a very good search volume, but the competition is very high, so we shouldn't attempt it. Now, TubeBuddy goes ahead to give you some related searches here, where you can further research to find what a keyword with what low competition as well. So what you simply do is to click any of this here. So how to wrap presents professionally is the key related keyword TubeBuddy gave us. So here it says that the search volume is very poor, but the competition is very low, which is what excellent. But remember that we want a search volume which is good or excellent, and a competition which is also good or excellent. So with a poor search volume, it wouldn't be prudent, or I won't advise that you go for a keyword like this. vidIQ still says that this keyword is very competitive. Okay, the search volume is high, the competition is still high, but the average age of a video based on this keyword is 4 years. It has note the keyword is not directly in a title, it's not directly in any description. So that is why TubeBuddy is saying that the competition is low. Because if you make a video and title it how to wrap present professionally, it means you are going to be the only video that is going to benefit from this metric here. So in case someone types it directly, how to write present professionally, automatically YouTube is going to pop your videos up. It's going to show your video to the person. So it's always good that you have your keyword in the title of your video and in the description of your video, and add it to your tags as well. So this is one way to do keyword research with these two awesome tools. Because I don't have the paid version, I'm limited to some features. Like I said, if you have the money, why not go for the paid features versions of it, which will help you a lot. Now, another way to do keyword research with vidIQ is simply to tap the icon here, then click on where is it? SEO and tags, which I've already done here. So it leads you directly to the website, and you can key in. So you have bulk SEO boost, challenge, channel wide tags, or keyword research. We're interested in keyword research. So how to wrap presence. Okay. So vidIQ further breaks down what this keyword how to write present has. So you notice that it's still high here, 79, but it has a higher search word volume here. And these are related keywords based on the main keyword, which you can add to the tags of and description of your videos. So it's telling me that if I want to see 70 more related keywords, I should upgrade to Pro today. Unfortunately, I can't do that now. I hope you get the idea. There are thousands of related keywords you can have. It's even possible that you find a related keyword which is low in competition and high in volume, which you can use as the title of your video as well. Now for TubeBuddy, what we do is to go here, then we have the Keyword Explorer, so I'll launch it, and I type how to wrap presence. So like we saw earlier on, it's poor, 16 over 100, and search volume is very high. The competition is poor, optimization is excellent. So what TubeBuddy does is that it gives you the metrics based on our traffic signals. So red means is very poor, yellow means is good, and green means why not, very excellent. Go ahead and target it. So our search volume for this keyword is very good. Competition is very poor. Optimization is what? Excellent. By optimization, it means that this keyword is not properly optimized. It's not many videos are using it in their titles. Okay, so it's only 2 videos that have the exact keyword in their titles and possibly in their description. So that is why saying that optimization is what? Excellent. So if you decide to risk and go in for this keyword, then what you do to gain an upper hand over the rest of the videos is to add it in your title and add it in your description. And here we have the total search results for this keyword in YouTube, which is 2.63 million videos there. Okay, so this is the TubeBuddy Keyword Explorer, which helps you to do keyword in an easier way. So we have the unweighted and weighted. And weighted simply means how's the performance of that keyword devoid of your channel. Okay, then the weighted is based on your channel, the number of subscriptions you have, the number of views you have in your video. How will you be able to rank for this keyword? So TubeBuddy compares that, then gives you the metrics. So let's say, for instance, if I tap the weighted, okay, so it's still poor for me. It's 8/100. Do you get it? So and down here we have the average views for this 705K. My video is 3.65K. So it means that I'm way below the average views for this keyword. That is why it is poor for me. So I hope this is interesting enough and you would like to explore more on these 2 keywords. If you like the video, hit the subscription button, give me a like and comment. Thank you.